What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, I know while we all look at cryptocurrency and say, like, when are we going to see any type of altcoin movement? When are we going to see things explode? There's a lot of people, like myself, that really focuses on a few positions. Yes, I have a lot in my portfolio, but I mainly have drivers, things that I like to focus on that have the popularity that kind of even feed off of overall altcoin season, overall movement in cryptocurrency. So when you're answering one question, you're technically answering all the questions you have. So for XRP, when I make videos and talk about the movement and talk about the possibilities, I'm obviously talking about the overall market as well as something as big as XRP that's going to, in my opinion, control the market and be the biggest coin in the market. That's also going to make those moves. But I think XRP is going to be insanely valuable. And many other people are looking at this position and going, well, what's the price target? What's your projections? What are your, analytics and information behind it, right? Give me all the information to know what support levels, what resistance levels we need to focus on and all of that. I'm here to tell you that if you are or understand XRP, these little resistance levels that we're looking at, $1.20, $1.40, $1.50, $2 or whatever, that's not something that I'm worried about. As a long-term holder, you're not worried about that, right? You're worried about what is the next major target, the next major level to see it absolutely explode after that. And that target is the all-time high. So let's talk about that. If you guys could, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, again, if you guys are holding XRP for a long period of time, you might as well do it in a place to where you can be set up for retirement and not pay anything or have your taxes deferred completely. That would be with the video sponsor, iTrustCapital. iTrustCapital offers something exchanges do not offer, which is the ability to invest into a traditional IRA as well as a Roth IRA. Roth IRA eliminating taxes completely when you do withdrawal during retirement ages. A traditional IRA, your taxes are deferred until that point, meaning that you can make money off of the taxes that you would normally pay when you decide to take profit. So this is a platform that I've been using for a little bit of time, and I'm going to continue to use it, continue to add to it, because again, it offers something that you don't get, a traditional IRA, Roth IRA, the ability to either zero out taxes or have your taxes deferred until a later date. So feel free to check out my link down below for iTrustCapital if you guys are interested, as well as there's information for you to reach out to somebody so that you can get more information on it if you don't want to do all the research yourself. But thank you, iTrustCapital, for sponsoring this video. Also, if you want to check out my link for BTCC, feel free to do so. This platform is a great platform that you'll get a 10% deposit bonus. Extra bonuses up to $10,055. Enjoy up to 40% lower trading fees. And you can do all of this with no VPN and no KYC that's required. I've been using it for over 2 years now. I've had some wins, I've had some losses. Currently, I'm down on 2 positions that I hold, but that's nothing when it comes to the amount that I have made with BTCC. So again, check it out. Links will be down there in the description. Now for XRP. XRP currently stands at a $1.06 price. It is down by 2% today. Again, we're not seeing any type of major movements. We would love to report, hey, it's at $1.30 or $1.50 or $2 or $3, but that's not where we stand, right? We've been hovering back and forth. The crypto market hasn't really been the most positive. Bitcoin's been hovering around 60,000, Ethereum around 2,000 or so, and many others that are hovering around lower points. But XRP does see $1.17 billion worth of volume in the last 24 hours. And you're still looking at the 62.5 billion coins in circulating supply with 546,000 holders for this position. Now, again, you look at this and you start going, all right, what's the next price point? When are we going to see it, get to a level where now we're looking at this resistance level, right? We're looking at $1.20. We're looking at $1.50. We're looking at $2.20. We're looking at a $1.80 level. We're looking at higher and higher prices just to say what is the price that we're looking at next. And honestly, all of these levels do not matter to me at all. They don't matter to me one bit. And the reason why they don't is because if you are a short-term holder and you're looking for that short-term gain within XRP, understood, right? You're looking for a short-term gain, make money, sell the position, go on about your day. If you're looking for a short-term gain when it comes to leverage trading, that could also be a reason. However, if you have XRP and you've been holding it for a long period of time, you are in it for the long run, right? Because you could have sold in the last year and made a boatload of money, but you're in it for the long run and what XRP is going to be based on use, based on adoption, overall crypto adoption, and all of that. So that means that you're looking for the next major resistance point. Well, the next major resistance point is not even here, right? It's not the $3.30 level. It's not the $3.65 level that we saw in the last year. What it is very, very simple. It is $3.84. That is the major resistance point that we're looking for, right? Break through that resistance point. We know that $4, $5 is the next, right? That's the next level where we know a new all-time high is going to be created. A new major resistance has to be achieved. And that's what we are looking for. But again, there's also people that look for even further than that. But this is what's going to tell us, whether we can see more growth or whether we see a retracement from that point. Because the highest point that we got to before this was $3.65. It's not the $3.84 level. And if we get to the $3.60 level, we want to see it push past that to get to the then $3.84 level, to get past that $3.84 level, to show that it can be worth $4. It can be worth $4.50. It can be worth $5. That's what we are looking for as XRP investors. All-time high is coming soon. Now, does that mean that it's now or next month? No, it doesn't mean that. Does it mean that it's next year? No, it doesn't. But when it happens, that's when it happens, right? If you are impatient and you're going, I want to know the specific date, the specific time, the specific minute, I want to know all of these, specific things, well, you're SOL, because you're not going to get that. You might get that from somebody else who doesn't know what they are talking about, but no one knows what's going to happen in the crypto market. So they will lie to you. I know that these prices are coming. Do I know when? No, I don't. Right? I know that we will see crypto adopted. I know that XRP will be a bigger part of the economy, bigger part of the world, bigger part of the flow of money. And that's what makes me excited about it. So whether we have a bunch of people in the comments, it's like, no, all-time high is not coming, or it's not going to be worth anything. I mean, that's all your opinion. And while this is my opinion, it's something that I've been able to have a boatload of success with because I've been patient in times where people think you have to be impatient and sell everything. So XRP all-time high is coming soon. That is the next major resistance point. And if we can break through that, we have a lot of positivity and the sky is the limit, right? Because we don't have any history above that point. We now have uncharted waters. We now have territory that we haven't explored. So when it gets to that territory, what do you think that happens, right? Does it do the same thing that Bitcoin did? Many people were like, once it gets past 70,000, it's going to decrease. Well, it got past 70,000, it jumped to 80. And then it got past 80. People were like, once it gets to 100, it's going to decrease. Well, guess what? It got to 100. You know what it did next? It increased. It went up to 110, 120, damn near 130, right? It went up to higher and higher prices while many other people continue to doubt it. Because that's what people do. They doubt things. If you get stuck in negativity, you're going to be nothing. You're going to be surrounded by nothing but negativity. So I can't wait for XRP to make these moves. And I have my exit plan set based on what these prices are going to hit. So guys, if you could hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos, I would greatly appreciate it. Also, if you guys want to check out some of the links down below for iTrustCapital and for BTCC, I appreciate you guys for sponsoring this video and this channel. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Let me know what you think about XRP, the growth, the movement, the all-time high, where you think the next major resistance is in the comment section below. But I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.